I want to show you how to connect your WordPress website with Loxo so that you can create a careers page that's in sync with the jobs you're currently working on at Loxo. Before I get started, I'll clarify, I requested an API key from them, and you need to do the same for LimeStaff to work. I'm going to assume that you've made a purchase with LimeStaff and you found yourself on a page that looks something like this, a thank you page that provides to you a license key, and also an email that provides to you a link to download the plugin. So here's my WordPress website. My Find a Job page right now has no positions displayed, and in an ideal situation, I would like for the jobs that I do have in Loxo right now to show up on the Find a Job page. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is upload the plugin that I got from the email from LimeStaff after making the purchase. Install it, activate it, and plug all the information in under Settings, LimeStaff. We have two modes for this plugin, a live mode and a test mode. Depending on what exactly you're doing, you might want to toggle between the two modes. Once we hit save on all the details that we have here, both from Loxo and LimeStaff, we can go to the pages that we have, and in our case, go to Find a Job page and edit it with Elementor. Once everything loads, we can add a section here with Elementor, that easy, and let's go ahead and search in the sidebar for LimeStaff. Let's throw LimeStaff into the section that we just created, and you'll notice that sometimes by default, some of the theme settings are not really aligned with what we want it to show. So what we can go ahead and do with this plugin is actually go back and modify the styling according to the needs that we want. So in this case, let me change this pink button so that way it's in line with everything that's going on with my green theme. And that's it. That's how you install the plugin. That's how you get everything going. And you'll notice that if I go back to my Find a Job page and refresh, there it is. I have all the details that I need from the job board and all the positions that are currently active and live in my backend at Loxo. It's that easy. So say I'm a candidate right now and I like the technical specialist position. I can go ahead and click on it and it'll load a dynamic page that's relevant to this position. I hit apply now, add my basic information, and from there, search for my CV, hit apply now, and I'm good to go. It's that easy. With just a few clicks and a couple of minutes, I'm able to connect Loxo with LimeStaff and get my job board to dynamically load on my website using no code.